It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight.
Welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. We have some laundry to do, some tidying up to do upstairs, some bedding to wash, and I have a healthy dinner recipe to share with you guys, so let's get started. Starting off in the boys' room, I initially came in here to get their bedding into the washing machine so it can be nice and clean for the week, but then I started to clean up their room. They are pretty good about cleaning up their room when I ask them to, but I remembered I needed to vacuum in here, so I just went ahead and did it myself, and then I am going to put away their clean laundry.
When I shut my feelings down, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay 'cause you feel something.
So with my Sunday resets, they're never the same each week. It just depends on what went on that week or what's going on the following week. I may have skipped over a couple of loads of laundry that I need to catch up on. I do like to do bedding on Sundays, but that doesn't always happen. I like to go do a little bit of grocery shopping. That doesn't always happen on Sundays, but for the most part, I do like to do it on Sundays. Some other things you might see me rotate into my Sunday reset routines is sanitizing devices, deep cleaning appliances, cleaning out my fridge, restocking the pantry, and meal prepping.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. Taking away, yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away, yeah, we're going away. You and me, feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. Come down low, running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
Alright, so now that the bedding is in the washing machine, I'm back in their room so that I can put all of their clean laundry away, and I'm listening to one of my favorite new artists that I recently found on TikTok. I wish I can play his music on my videos, you guys. I get a lot of compliments on the music on all of my videos, so thank you guys for that. Finding good music to play on YouTube videos is kind of hard, but it's also one of my favorite parts of editing.
Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. at the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in.
Moving on to our upstairs TV room, you guys know we just got our sofa delivered for our downstairs living room, and we still don't have a TV down there, so for the most part we are hanging out a lot up here and watching movies and things, so this room can definitely get really messy real quick. We're also really thinking about what we want to do in this room as far as decorating it, making it a little bit more cozy. We're thinking about painting in here like a dark color, hanging up some dark curtains. We want to find something to put on the wall above the couch. So I think the first step is to create some kind of mood board that we can all agree on and just go from there.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck.
If you haven't been using this fabric sanitizer, I don't know where you've been, but this stuff is a lifesaver. It is literally the bomb. So I just spray it on accent pillows, parts of your couch that you can't wash, and just things that you can't easily throw in the washing machine. It sanitizes it and it smells good.
I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan up, fan. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else.
Alright guys, I feel like it's about that time. So I have a bunch of new followers and I'm so thankful for all of you guys. Thank you so much for coming over to my channel and deciding to subscribe. Thank you so much. But I feel like it's time to do another Q&A. So if you have any questions about my life, my YouTube, my job, anything, go ahead and leave your questions in the comments and I will try to gather a couple and answer them in my next cleaning video.
You and me, why did you have to be so cruel? I guess I should have known it from the start.
So I took a quick trip to the grocery store just so I can get a few things that I needed for some recipes for this week. I am going to be going back maybe tomorrow or the next day to get everything else I need for this week. It just had to be a really quick trip because the kids get off the bus soon, so I needed to be back for that. But I'm going to show you guys what I got.
Some things we didn't mean, but thought that we could figure this one out. Hate the fact that
so I definitely have 2 meals planned already. I usually try to plan all of my meals for the week, but I didn't do that today. 2 pounds of ground turkey. I'm going to be making teriyaki turkey bowls with rice. I'm going to use this teriyaki sauce, and I actually know how to make teriyaki sauce from scratch, but I'm going to be doing it easy this week. Got a bunch of berries and some fresh tilapia that I'm going to be making tonight, so stick around for that recipe. And some carrots that I'm going to be chopping up when I make my teriyaki bowls. I got some parsley for the fish for tonight, some mini apples, some oranges, the lemon is for the fish, and I got that broccoli for the teriyaki bowls.
Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. 'Cause every morning I wish you were here with me, watching the sunlight fill my room. I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start. But baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
Time to get started on dinner, and I have the easiest baked fish recipe to share with you guys, and it's pretty healthy, so get out your pen and paper and write this one down. I'm gonna start by dicing some onions and tomatoes.
and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we love.
Right, so you have to get the parsley that comes in this tube, and since I had 4 large pieces of fish, I ended up using the entire tube. You're gonna stir in a good amount of minced garlic and set it to the side. As far as your fish, you're gonna drizzle it with whatever oil you choose, avocado oil or olive oil, and then salt and pepper.
Down and the night sky's falling. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams.
Now you're going to take your parsley mixture and you're going to go heavy on each piece of fish. That's why I said I actually ended up using that entire tube. I had to keep making more of this paste. So you're going to spoon it onto the top of your fish. The two on the right are for the kids, so you won't see as many toppings on those as you would the first two. And once you put all your parsley down, then you're going to add your tomatoes, your onions. I added some crushed red pepper to me and Brandon's, and then I also added some crispy jalapenos, which I'll show you guys in a minute. If you don't want to use the crispy jalapenos, you can definitely use those crispy onions. Those are really good on there as well. You're going to top each piece of fish with some fresh lemon juice, and then you're going to cover it, cook it for 20 minutes. After your 20 minutes are up, uncover it and cook it 5 extra minutes, and you are done. It is so good. I actually made some Spanish rice and broccoli to go with it, and the kids loved it. They ate every bit of this, and it's just really good, trust me. Here it is all finished. It might look like a hot mess, but it is so good. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.